Why choose Ortur laser engraving machines? First, top-tier safety configuration, double peace of mind for families and beginners. Safety is the primary principle for household equipment, and Ortur integrates protection into all its models. The entire series comes standard with laser safety certification, equipped with multi-dimensional protection such as anti-tilt power cutoff, disconnection auto stop, lid open auto stop, and laser exposure time limit. High-end models like the Ortur H20 laser engraver are upgraded to 9 safety protections, adding motherboard monitoring and emergency stop buttons, ensuring safe use even with children or pets at home. Compared to competitors in the same price range that simplify protection configurations, Ortur Safety DNA allows for worry-free creation. Second, full gradient product layout, precisely adapting to different needs. Ortur has built a complete product matrix from entry-level to professional, catering to home users, craft enthusiasts, and entrepreneurs. Ortur mid-range models balance performance and cost-effectiveness, while professional models are equipped with high-end configurations. The engraving precision of all models reaches 0.01 millimeters, and the delicacy of engraved textures far exceeds that of competitors in the same price range, preventing beginners from being hindered by insufficient equipment performance. Third, beginner-friendly with zero threshold, quickly building creative satisfaction. Ortur focuses on zero threshold entry. Entry-level models like the Ortur are one laser engraver can be used immediately after unpacking and plugging in, without complex assembly. The entire series is compatible with multi-language software such as LaserGribble, Lightburn, and Ortur app, featuring visualized graphics import and parameter settings, as well as built-in various creative templates. Ortur official website and social media provide practical tutorials for all machines and accessories, guiding beginners step-by-step from their first wood engraving to advanced acrylic cutting. Compared to the professional debugging thresholds of high-end brands, Ortur allows beginners to complete their first work in 10 minutes, quickly experiencing the joy of creation. Fourth, comprehensive cross-border services, worry-free whole process. Ortur boasts a well-developed shipping policy, covering most countries and regions worldwide. With warehouses in the United States, Germany, and other locations, it guarantees delivery time and avoids the long waits of traditional cross-border logistics. Online customer service and after-sales email respond actively to inquiries from 9 o'clock to 18 o'clock on weekdays, with advanced notifications for working hours on holidays. The entire series comes with a 1-year warranty for products purchased on Ortur.net. Faulty parts can be replaced for free within the warranty period, ensuring a worry-free whole process. Lastly, rich accessory ecosystem, meeting long-term upgrade needs. Ortur has a complete accessory system to support flexible function expansion. Ortur Y-axis rotary chucks, Ortur YRR 2.0 rotary roller for cylinder engraving, and Ortur YRR 3.0 rotary roller for cylinder engraving enable engraving on cylindrical, spherical, and other irregular objects. While Ortur Y-axis rotary chuck for laser engraver YRC 1.0 is suitable for rings, mugs with handles, and other special shaped items. Extension kits: Ortur extension kit for Laser Master to Pro S2 and Laser Master to S to Ac1 0. Ortur extension kit for Laser Master 3 F2 0 can expand the working area for large-scale projects. Accessories like the Ortur Smoke Purifier 1.0 for laser engraver and metal protective covers, Ortur metal enclosure for Laser Master to Pro 1.0, Ortur enclosure 2.0 for all laser engraving machines. Enhance creation safety and comfort. The accessories have strong versatility, and some high-end accessories can be used across models, reducing the cost of later upgrades. For more information, please click the link below the video.